Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unsend an email in Gmail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to unsend an email in your Gmail, you need to be very fast with hands. All you gotta do is simply tap on your Gmail. So here all you gotta do is simply go to your settings, and in the settings you can go to general settings. There you can find the option called undo your message. So once you tap on Unsend, you can simply have a basic account of like 5, 10, 20 or 30 second of a send cancellation period. You can simply hit the save button, and if you send some email to people and if you want to unsend it, the only way is to simply tap on this undo button on your screen. So if you are able to simply get through this window period of cancellation, you can undo your email and unsend the email in Gmail. But if you miss this opportunity, then you cannot unsend an email on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.